who is known as the Darwin of the 20th century? A. Lamarck. B. Ernst Mayr. C. Carolus Linnaeus. D. Robert May. Right. The number of known and described species that are in the range of approximately A. 1.3 to 1.4 million. B. 1.4 to 1.5 million. C. Right. Twin characteristics of growth are A. Increase in mass. B. Increase in number. C. Both A and B. D. Increase in length and volume. Right. Growth in living organism. A. Is from outside. B. Is from inside. C. Both A and B. D. Does not take place. Right. Which of the following does not grow? A. Amoeba. B. Yeast. C. Dead body. D. Planaria. Right. Growth cannot be taken as a defining property of living organisms because A. All living organisms do not show growth. B. Non-living things also grow from inside. C. Non-living things also grow. D. Some living organism does not exhibit the process of reproduction. Right. Select the total number from the following organism that multiply by budding. Hydra, sponges, yeast, earthworm, planaria, honeybee. A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Right. For which organism, the growth is synonymous with reproduction? A. Unicellular algae. B. Amoeba. C. Bacteria. D. All of these. Right. A. Fungi. B. Filamentous algae. C. Planaria. D. All of these. Right. Mark the correct statement. A. The growth in living organisms is from inside. B. Plants grow only up to a certain age. C. Only living organisms grow. D. All of these. Right. The growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events in A. Plants only. B. Animals only. C. Higher animal and plants. D. Primitive organisms. Right. Reproduction cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristic of living organisms because A. All living organisms do not show growth. B. Many organisms do not reproduce. C. Non-living things show reproduction. D. All living organisms show small period of reproductive phase in their life. Right. Living organism shows A. Self-replication. B. Evolution. C. Self-regulation and response to external stimuli. D. All of these. Right. The sum total of chemical reactions occurring in our body is called A. Metabolism. B. Homeostasis. C. Catabolism. D. Anabolism. Right. Select the incorrect statement from the following. 1. Plant families like Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included in the order Polemoniales mainly based on the floral characters. 2. All living organisms such as from present, past and future are linked to one another by the sharing of the common genetic material but to varying degree. Right. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. All plants, animals, fungi and microbes exhibit metabolism. B. Interactions among the molecular components of the organelles result into the properties of cell organelles. C. Properties of cellular organelles are present in the molecular. Right. Organs are A. Present in the constituent cells. B. Due to different cells in them. C. due to their similar origin. T. A result of interactions among the constituent tissues. Right. Which 2 points are known as the twin characteristics of growth? 1. Increase in mass. 2. Metabolism. 3. Increase in the number of individuals. 4. Sense of environment. Thought. E. 1 and 2. P. 1 and 4. Right. Growth by cell division occurs in plants and in animals. A. Continuously, only up to a certain age. B. Only up to a certain age, continuously. C. Continuously, never. D. Continuously. Right. Which of the following match is incorrect? A, B, C, D. Right. Which set of organisms multiply through fragmentation? A. Planaria, Hydra, yeast. B. Echinoderms, fungi, bacteria. C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. D. Amoeba. Right. Which of the following organism does not reproduce? A. Mules. B. Sterile worker bees. C. Sterile human couple. D. All of these. Right. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? A. Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro. B. Increase in mass from inside only. C. Perception of events happening in the environment in their memory. D. Right. Which of the following is self-conscious? A. Human being. B. Tiger. C. Lion. D. Frog. Right. Metabolic reactions, in which a complex substance break into smaller molecules, take place in A. Outside the cell in a synthetic medium, in vitro. B. In vivo. C. Both A and B. D. Only in unicellular organisms. Right.